Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Namecheap domain to Odoo. So it's really easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your Odoo and go to website, which is right here. And by the way, you do have to make sure that you have the correct version that actually supports this feature. So once you're here, you will go to your settings and click domains. And next, you will note the A record IP address from Odoo, and then you will log into your Namecheap account. So uh, once you've logged in, you will just have to go to the account section and then click domain list. And of course, you have to make sure that you've already logged in before doing this. And after logging in, you will see the domain list, and then you will click manage next to your domain and click advanced DNS. And after that, you will just have to update the A record with Odoo's IP, and then you will just have to save changes and then wait for the DNS propagation. And by the way, it may take a few minutes to a few hours. And finally, you will just have to return to your Odoo, and then you will just have to verify the domain connection and confirm that your website is live under the Namecheap domain. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.